Get a free estimate on a new or replacement driveway in Metro Atlanta and points north by Driveway Pros, specializing in all styles of poured concrete driveways, including stamped concrete, driveways with borders, and concrete driveways made with paver or cobblestone borders and aprons. Driveway Pros also installs pure paver driveways, as well as decorative driveways made to enhance any atmosphere. Epoxy coatings for a wet and shiny look day or night are also available. For a free estimate, please call us at 770-702-0772 and be sure to bookmark our website at concretedriveway.us.